What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video and back in Santa Clarita. I was here a few days ago, earlier this week, but it was at night. So yeah, let's go see what they got during the day. Hopefully they got the heat wall. Let's go see what they got. It is daytime. Probably gonna have to combat all the campers and stuff like that. Gonna have to try to swoop in, see if I can grab a few things. Let's go. So it's what, 11 a.m. They've been open for an hour. Heat wall's already done. Oh my God. Checking out the heat wall. They just got those Scorpions, size 7 and 9. And then, dang, is that the same stuff from earlier in this week? What the hell? I guess they haven't brought out the heat wall because they still have the Gore-Tex right there. That's from a few days ago. Yeah, they got, damn, lady, get out my way. Then they still got the trainers, or they got some more trainers and stuff. That's it, man, damn. We're gonna check out some of the clothing. This looks like a work shirt or something. Normally $80 down to $30. It's like hella thick. I don't know. What the hell? Looks like something that like a mechanic would wear or something. Mediums going for $30. Blank jerseys. Oh, this is just all blank with nothing. $20. These are larges. Got a few of them. Dry fit t-shirt going for $25. Super thin. Still got a bunch of these Hawaiian shirts. Extra small though, $10. Yeah, those are like $60, $70 shirts though. And a couple more of these in small. That's like hella bright. Bunch of smiley faces on it. Going for $30. Got a ton of sizes. I can see why. They're just not dope. Bunch of these super bright sweat. Like, how many dudes are buying these super bright sweats? Like a pinkish purplish color, light blue with freaking flowers on it. Really? $40? I don't know. There's a whole rack full of that, of course. All right, in terms of apparel, not seeing much. Some of the campers here, I don't know. All right, let's go check out some of the sneakers. I'm gonna try to show you guys stuff that I didn't see a few days ago. Man, this is just mostly the same stuff as last time. Air Max 95s, size 10. Got a bunch of these going for $80. Size 10 and a half. We saw these at the regular outlets go for way more. $50 for the Del Dons. I'm gonna go for like $150. Yeah, we're just gonna do highlights real quick. Got these bad boys going for $80. The Jordan, I'm all distracted. Jordan 37s, 36s, my bad. What's this? Jordan 12? Oh, it's a golf. I saw Jordan 12 caught my eye. I was like, what the hell? Yeah, it's a golf. It's a golf. $100. Dude, got some blazers. I saw one with the flower design, but not this color. That's the first time I've seen this color. Kind of like a pinkish, peachish hue on the midsole, outsole. $60 for those. Nike by you. Size 11 blazers. Is this Realtree? Oh yeah, it is Realtree. It is a Realtree. I see a tag on the other side over there. Okay, this is pretty dope. It is like all canvas. It is a Pro GT, the Grant Taylors. This is pretty dope, dude. $40. $40 freaking dollars. Trey 510s going for $40. Size 12 more of those blazers with that weird, not weird, I just have never seen the flower material, but it is all black. Black suede, go for $20, or go for $60, size 12. Nike by you, Harachis right here, go for $60. The ADG Golf 4s, size 11.5, go for $80. Dude got Jordan here. He does watch the videos. Appreciate you subscribing. Dude, he has this shirt right here. It's a Mason chat. Oh my God, this is freaking dope. And it's only $20. Oh my God, that is fire. That is dope. So you can grab that for $20, huh? That's a dope find, bro. I went through the apparel section. I didn't see nothing, so.
Someone put it back.
Oh, someone put it back? That's fire, dude. Hey, appreciate you watching the videos, though. Appreciate you, Jordan. Hey, yeah, make sure you guys subscribe. Good looking out. Oh, excuse me. I think they're restocking the cage over there. See all these fools heading up. They got better eyes than I do, because I don't see Jack. I don't know, do they have? Oh, they're all kid stuff, man. Give a damn about no kid stuff.
Give it time.
All right, I'm in line. They got some dunks coming out. Oh, okay. Remember when they do dunks and stuff like that, it's way under retail. The dunk highs are usually what, $70, $80, $70. The lows are usually like $60. So all right, let's find out when we get up there. All right, so the lows, they had some dunk lows and stuff like that. People were just camping next to the line, so they're all gone. That's what's available. They got the dunk high. The red one is a size 7. That's what, 80 bucks? 80 bucks or something. The Jordan size 10 right there. That's $60. That's a Flyees though. And they got the grade school Halloween dunks on the left. Those are grade school. Those are about $60. Okay. So the Halloween dunks are 40 for the grade school. Dang, dude. The grade school Jordans up top going for 50. Dang, so there are people camping. So like this line is up pretty long, so they're just people who stand right there and wait, and then as soon as they bring stuff up, they get in line. So damn, so much for that. All right, the people camping 6-7 hours a day, man. That's made things tough, dude. That's made things tough. That's kind of why I haven't been here too much during the day, because campers just make it tough. They do have the Nike Air backpacks with the air bubbles and stuff like that once in a while. Those are sold for 30 here. Don't see any today. I saw one of the homies who's a reseller. He had one, but yeah, none available right now. The guys I mess with, they don't sit here and camp here 6-7 hours a day though. But yeah, I've never seen this. Jordan hoodie. What's this going for? Is this a large? Large for $30? Got a little flight logo that I've never seen. This is different. This one's way different. Holy crap! Yeah, I've never seen this. This is fire, dude. This is fire. Normally, what, 85 down to 30. Jordan jacket here. That looks familiar. So it is an extra small though. God dang it, $40. A tech fleece here down to 50. This is like hella thin though. New Orleans hoodie. It's a small, go for 30. Williamson Thermafit jacket. Big old jacket, $100. Normally $375. Normally $375. Holy crap! Really? God dang, dude. It's like lined. Has buttons. It's like lined and everything. Damn, dude. That's dope, dude. That's crazy, man. We don't really need that in LA though. SB hoodie. Ooh, this is like nice. It's hella thick for $40. Oh, this is hella thick. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't really need any more hoodies, but god damn, this is nice, dude, for $40. Wear this with SB gear, obviously. Oh, damn. I didn't want to spend $40 on another hoodie. Damn, I love this hoodie. It's nice and thick. It is pretty fitted. This is a medium. Damn, this is fire. It is super fire. Yeah, I'm going to have to grab the hoodie. But yeah, let's go with what I'm wearing. I'm wearing some Asics today. Asics. I think these are the Quantum Gel 360s. Super comfortable. I went with some dad shoes. Did go with some dad shoes. And the reason I did go with some dad shoes, because it matches this shirt. The dopest dad ever, Al Bundy, married with children. Got the no ma'am. And this isn't some misogynistic shirt where we're hating on women. That's the acronym. Is that what it's called? Yeah, acronym right there. All right, so while I was in line, they did come out with a bunch of Nike by You stuff. A bunch of them. All right, Metcon, size 10, going for 60. What are these? Pegasus? What are these? These are Pegasus? Yeah, I believe some Pegasus. Some Flyees or something? I don't know. But yeah, these are going for 60, size 10. 10 and a half Blazers going for 60. That seems a little much for that. Size 11. Damn, they came out with a bunch. Blazers going for 60. Ivory Low 5s. I didn't see this earlier. $50 for that. That's a hell of a deal. In the size 8 section, someone threw these over here. Size 10 and a half Blazers. These are all Nike by You. This is clean. That is clean. Oh man, I hope they didn't put... That ruins it. Oh, that's not too bad. I'll check the other side. I thought they were gonna have a name or something on there. That's not too bad. It just has a number right there. Leather on the Nike by Yous. Yeah, they tend to be way better. That's really good leather. $60. That's a freaking steal. Some Presto size 8 going for 60 right here. Nike by You. Pegasus. Are these Pegasus Flyees or something? I don't know. $60 size 8. And then they got these guys, these fools. No, these are the homies actually. But yeah, man, they came up, dude. Nike ID or Nike by You. These just came out literally when we walked out to the front. They walked these out. This one's crazy right here.
Those are fire.
Dude, these are ridiculous. Yeah, dude. The material's awesome. Kind of a purplish hue to it. Those are dope, dude. $60. Air Force Ones too. Those are all 60. He's bringing stuff out. I'm just checking real quick behind them. Blazers, size 11, 60. Then they put 3 in a row right here. They're all Blazers. This one's an Air Max.
No, I'm saying.
Oh, this is a weird one. I've never seen an Air Max 95 like this. What the hell?
I need that.
That's interesting.
I need that.
Some Huaraches and some more Blazers. Okay. All right, I did sit around to kind of see how many IDs are going to come out. All right, I'm out. I'm going to pay for this. I'm going to get the hell out of here. I did grab these. Ended up paying $40. Retail is $110. $110 on these. I did find it on the Nike website. I'll show you guys. But $110 down to $40. Nike SB hoodie. Freaking love it. Dope. All right, guys. That's pretty much about it. I did end up copping something dope here. Yeah, hopefully it was interesting. I don't know. I came here just a few days ago. I thought I'd kind of show how the heat wall works and how the restocking stuff works. I thought I'd kind of show that. The homies that I know here, they're here for an hour or two, but there are people that camp here 6-7 hours a day, and I'm hearing that it's getting worse and worse, and more people are camping, and people are just setting up offices. That's what I'm hearing. So that's kind of interesting. I haven't really been coming here that often. This is twice in a week, but before that, I think have I even come here this year? I don't even know. Definitely interesting. You can definitely find some dope stuff, even with all the campers, I guess. I don't know, but yeah, definitely interesting. I don't know what to do about the camp. I don't know. I don't really know. It's just crazy. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this visit. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Make sure you guys help our boy. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press subscribe and click on that notification bell. I got plenty videos coming. Video every day. That's my goal. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Definitely appreciate y'all. See you guys next one. Peace. $40, man. Pretty dope. That's more than most other hoodies that I've gotten, but this is like super thick, and like I said, the retail's like 10, so it's all good. All right, see you guys. The Nike SB stuff, the quality is always top notch. Not trying to be a skater, like I don't even care about skating. Skating's dope, but I'm too old to be a skater. My bones are too brittle. They just use the best quality for all the Nike SB stuff, all the clothing, all the sneakers, the regular dunks. The SB dunks are 10 times better. The SB Blazers are even better materials. If Nike just used that on all their regular clothes, of course I would get that. But Nike SB, that's just their premium line, man. That's just the way it is, doggies.